Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making a deliberate copy of anything you might need: receipts, driver contacts, or business records. Once done, open the Uber app or sign in at the web portal using the main email or phone number tied to your account. Make sure to remove saved payment methods and unlink third-party services so there's nothing attached. This is necessary because the only way to remove trip history is to delete your account, and you want to keep what you still need before you proceed. Now go into Menu, tap Settings, then Privacy, or use the account settings on the website. The exact label can vary. Select Delete your account and complete any identity checks. Uber may ask for password, SMS code, or photo ID to verify it's you. Confirm the deletion request. Uber places the account into a deactivation hold, typically 30 days, during which you can cancel if you change your mind. This process removes access and begins permanent data erasure after the hold. Finish by uninstalling the app and clearing cached data on your device once you receive confirmation. This removes local traces. Make sure you monitor your email for the deletion confirmation and understand permanent erasure happens after the retention period, usually about 30 days. If you still see trips in third-party services or in cache screenshots, contact Uber support through the privacy portal and provide your deletion request ID. If something goes wrong, escalate with proof of the deletion confirmation email.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.